but not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit.
All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is a 2009 TDI sports wagon. I'm having an issue with the blower motor, or the fan blower motor. It only works on high. Hopefully you can hear that. Doesn't work on any other setting. Just on high, number 4. Very, very easy fix. Just got to replace this. It's right underneath this kick panel right here. Pops out, plugs right back in. Here is the part number somewhere. There's a, oh, there we go. There's the part number. I bought this on eBay. I think it was $9 or $10, something like that, shipped to my door. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's right up underneath here where my foot is. There's a little panel that you got to drop down, and then you basically unplug the old one, plug the new one back in, and we'll see if it actually works. All right, it's this part. It is a blower motor resistor. They go bad, really common on these vehicles. So we're going to replace this right up underneath here. There's a little panel you got to take down and then basically unplug the old one, plug the new one back in. Very simple. All right, so once you get the kick panel down, it's that one right there with the red and blue and yellow. Basically, just only thing you got to do, let me get this light right, hopefully. Can't see it. Push that clip in and pull it out. There it is. There's the old one. Yeah, you can tell there's something wrong with the resistor because it's all, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's all swelled up. Basically, all we got to do is swap this out with the new one, plug it back in with this cord, and should work, hopefully. We'll find out here in a second. All right, new one's plugged in. This cord's pretty tight, so I'm going to get it in and I'll show you in a second. All right, new one's all in, so let's see if it works. All right, moment of truth. It works. I hope you guys can hear it. Here's setting 3, 4, 3. Hope you guys can hear it. 2, 1. Yes, it worked. Quick. One of the easiest things I've ever had to do. Hopefully you guys can hear that in the camera. Awesome. It works. All right, I'm going to show you guys the part number real quick again. eBay. You probably can get it on Amazon probably too. Number. Here's the old one. Sorry, the camera. You can tell how old this thing is. It's all swelled up. That's how you can only really tell that. Oh, it actually burnt right there too. Yep. Quick little video. If your blower motor is not working, why is it this focus? If your blower motor is not working, this is it. $9, $10 part. Easy fix. Awesome. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.